I'm Andy Davies. I'm a reader in innovation management in the Innovation and Entrepreneurship group here, and I work as the theme leader of the project business innovation area. In terms of projects, there's been huge improvements over the years in terms of how you set up and deliver and organise projects, yet they still continue to fail to be delivered on time, to budget and to quality. So there's a real opportunity to improve the performance of delivering projects and how we use projects to achieve innovation. I think our work in the project business innovation theme has really focused on innovation and the impact and the role of innovation in projects, and I think we are amongst the leaders in the world in making an academic and a practical and a policy impact in this area. And this is demonstrated by our work with leading companies like Arup and Laing and BAA, but also by our involvement with leading collaborators in the world like Stanford University, Berkeley, Columbia University in the US, and also many institutions in Europe. In terms of having an impact on policy, we take the learning gained from our studies of big projects like Heathrow Terminal 5, Dongtang Eco-City, and we're going to be looking at the London Olympics, learning from the London Olympics, and we use that to actually help the setup and development and implementation of other projects. So we can have a big impact on policy, particularly in the delivery of public projects, where we can learn about the contractual arrangement, the organisational approach, and how performance can be improved. We're also working very closely with IBM, BT, Arup and Laing O'Rourke and other companies of this kind to actually understand the new types of business models that they require to deliver multiple projects, to achieve their objectives, and to actually grow a business in the delivery of products and services as solutions to their clients' needs. In addition to our core ISC grant, we've been funded by the EPSRC to encourage collaborative research between UK and China on the Dongtang Eco-City and how we can learn lessons from other developments in China, which are zero-carbon urban developments. And through that collaboration, we've developed lots of links, good, really useful links with Chinese universities, particularly Tongji University, which is something that we're going to grow in future. The ISC has enabled us to carry out core research on projects and project activities, but it's also been a fundamental lever for other research, and we've got other projects funded by the EPSRC and the ESRC. For example, the Dongtang Eco-City Eco-Network project is one funded by the EPSRC. We have another one now looking at the delivery of integrated energy and water systems in the urban environment, funded by the EPSRC. And we've also been funded by the ESRC to look at the development of new business models in terms of products and services as integrated solutions with companies like IBM and BT. The collaboration with the rest of the college has been central to the project business innovation theme. We've been working, for example, with the BP Urban Energy Systems project led by Professor Nilay Shah and Professor David Fisk, and that's very much in our area of how we're going to develop sustainable cities in the future. And we've been very much concerned so far in the design of those sustainable cities, but increasingly we want to look at how are they built, how are they operated, and how can we deliver an improved urban environment. And our work with BP Urban Energy Systems and others in Imperial has been absolutely central to enable us to grow research in this area. Our work in the ISC on the project business innovation theme is very much focused on infrastructure. We've been working with road, water, energy, integrated energy and water, and ICT and telecoms, as well as airports, and increasingly we're looking at sustainable infrastructure, urban infrastructure, how you integrate all of those multiple infrastructures into a zero-carbon development. And I think that this is fundamental to the policy of the government in the future, and it's an area that we can make a big impact because we've been working with the leading players, clients and major systems integrators in these sectors over the past few years, and we will do in the next few years as well.